My kids say that pancake spaghetti is a lot more fun to eat, so let's make it together. This recipe is a lot more about the method, so we're starting out with pancake batter. You can use your favorite mix or my homemade pancake recipe, which I'll add how to make it below. We are here. Now, you are going to need one of these condiment bottles. They're easy to find at the grocery store. They're inexpensive. I'll also link it below for you. Through the tip is how you turn the batter into spaghetti. So let's pour our pancake batter into that condiment bottle and then close it with our cap. By the way, each condiment bottle fits about a cup of pancake mix and liquid. You can make these in a pan, or if you want to make a whole bunch at once instead of batches, you can use a griddle, which is what we're going to do today. My griddle is hot, so I'm going to quickly grease it and then immediately pour my batter in zigzag patterns. You want to eliminate the clumps so your batter doesn't get clogged coming out. But if your tip is too small, grab some scissors and cut the tip a little bigger. This batter cooks really fast, and after a minute or so, you'll see that the noodles are mostly cooked through. At that point, grab a large spatula and put them all together, flip them over. There's not so much about cooking the second side, it's just making sure that they're nice and golden and cooked through. And then after another 30 seconds or so, you can just remove them onto a plate. If you're using a pan, you're gonna do the same thing. Pour it into zigzag shapes. Wait about a minute and a half, and once they're ready and cooked, bunch them all together, flip them over, and take them onto a plate. If your pancake batter is just too thick and you keep getting these large clumps, simply add about a tablespoon of water and give it a good shake to thin it out. One quick tip is to keep your squeeze bottle nice and high, because if you're too close to the pan, it'll cook the batter and clog up your opening. And just like that, we have an awesome plate of stringy pancake spaghetti. My kids love this with dusted powdered sugar over the top, some fresh berries, and of course, pancake syrup. Everything you need to make these pancake spaghettis are gonna be right below this video. And if you're into this type of fun breakfast ideas, watch this next video. See you next time.